Right now, we're working to learn what caused a deadly house fire here in Indianapolis. Tonight, investigators confirmed to 13 News a woman died and a man was critically injured on the northeast side. Our Anna Chalker is taking a closer look tonight at this investigation. Anna?
Scott, firefighters found those victims and put the fire out quickly, but they didn't find any working smoke detectors in the house. And IFD tells me calls like this happen more often than you think.
Sadly, it's all too common.
And it happened here on North Dearborn Street. Monday afternoon, firefighters responded to this house fire that killed a woman and injured a man.
We just saw a lot of flames, but we didn't know what was happening. And then after that, there was like police cars and an ambulance.
Firefighters say working smoke detectors in the home could have alerted people sooner.
Because smoke alarms are really the first line of defense in helping you get out in enough time to save your life, to save your family's life.
That's why IFD urges everyone to check their smoke alarms on a monthly basis. If you have a sealed 10-year battery alarm, it's easy to do.
Just press a button on the smoke alarm. It tells you if it's working, if it's active, and you know it's kind of just a very simple way of doing business.
But if you aren't sure if it's working or if you need a new one, firefighters can come and help you.
Please call us. We will come to your house and literally install it in your house for you. So it's just a phone call away. We just need to know that you're in need of one.
And if you hear the alarm beeping, it could mean the battery is about to die or it's detecting something. So don't ignore it.
Now, we're more than happy to come and check for potential fire in your attic space or in your wall or something if you feel heat. But for a simple alarm, it's just, you know, maybe just replacing it will do the job.
While it may be hard to remember to do those monthly checks, IFD says it's worth it.
Smoke alarms do save lives every single day.
IFD says since 2014, Indianapolis residents are required to have those 10-year sealed battery alarms. But again, if you have an older one or need a new one fixed, you can reach out to the fire department or fill out a request form through them. We have a link to that on our website, WTHR.com. Scott?
All right, Anna, thanks so much.